Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off disable ChatGPT on your iPhone if it's enabled. So let's get started. This feature is available on the new iPhone 16 lineup and iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and it requires iOS 18.3 or later. To check, go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option. From there, and you can see the software update option and tap it. If any update is available, just update your phone. Once updated to iOS 18.3 or newer version, go to the main settings, then tap the Apple Intelligence. Here you can simply search it from the search bar. Okay, scroll down and you will see an extension for ChatGPT. Okay, tap on it and you will see if it's turned on. To turn it off, simply tap the toggle. It will change the use to setup, which means ChatGPT is now disabled. If you want to turn off Apple Intelligence completely, you can tap the toggle at the top to disable it. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.